The Ancient Secret of the Flower of Life is a two-volume book series penned by Drunvalo Melchizedek and first published in 1999. This captivating work delves into the profound symbolism and hidden wisdom of the flower of life, an ancient geometric pattern revered across cultures for millennia. Melchizedek, a renowned researcher and teacher of esoteric knowledge, presents a compelling case for the flower of life as a universal symbol of creation and a key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe and human consciousness. At the heart of Melchizedek's exploration lies the profound concept of sacred geometry, an ancient and mystical system of knowledge that views geometric patterns as the fundamental building blocks of reality itself. The flower of life, with its intricate and mesmerizing arrangement of interlocking circles, is presented as a primary and powerful example of sacred geometry, containing within its elegant form the fundamental patterns and blueprints that underlie all creation and existence. Melchizedek suggests that by deeply studying and meditating on the flower of life, we can gain profound and transformative insights into the very nature of the universe, the intricate interconnectedness of all things, and the web of life that binds us all together, and our unique place within the grand and magnificent scheme of existence, offering a cosmic perspective that transcends ordinary understanding. More than just a theoretical exploration, The Ancient Secret of the Flower of Life offers practical techniques and exercises designed to help readers unlock their hidden potential and connect with their higher selves. Melchizedek emphasizes the importance of meditation, visualization, and energy work in harnessing the power of the flower of life for personal transformation. He provides step-by-step instructions for creating what he calls Merkaba meditation, a powerful technique for activating a light body said to surround the human body, enabling spiritual awakening and multidimensional travel. Throughout his work, Melchizedek seamlessly weaves together ancient wisdom from various cultures and spiritual traditions, creating a rich tapestry of knowledge that spans across time and space. He draws upon Egyptian mythology, Hebrew Kabbalah, and Christian symbolism, among others, to illuminate the universal significance of the flower of life, a symbol that resonates deeply within the human psyche. This cross-cultural approach highlights the interconnectedness of human knowledge and the timeless nature of the wisdom embedded within the flower of life, showing how these ancient teachings are still relevant today. By connecting ancient teachings to modern understanding, Melchizedek makes these profound concepts accessible to a contemporary audience seeking spiritual growth and self-discovery. His work serves as a bridge, linking the past with the present and offering insights that can guide us in our modern lives. A central theme running through The Ancient Secret of the Flower of Life is the concept of a universal life force that permeates all of creation. Melchizedek suggests that the flower of life serves as a visual representation of this life force, its intricate geometry mirroring the flow of energy throughout the universe. By attuning ourselves to the flower of life, Melchizedek argues, we can tap into this universal energy field, enhancing our own vitality, creativity, and spiritual awareness. The Ancient Secret of the Flower of Life has had a profound impact on readers seeking spiritual enlightenment and a deeper understanding of the universe. This book has served as a guiding light for those on a quest to uncover the hidden truths of existence, offering insights that resonate deeply with the soul. The book's enduring popularity speaks to the power of its message and the timeless appeal of the flower of life as a symbol of unity, creation, and human potential. Its teachings have transcended generations, becoming a cornerstone for those who wish to connect with the ancient wisdom of our ancestors. Melchizedek's work has inspired countless individuals to explore the world of sacred geometry, meditation, and energy work, fostering a global community united by a shared fascination with the mysteries of the cosmos and the hidden depths of human consciousness. This collective journey has not only enriched individual lives, but has also contributed to a broader awakening, encouraging a harmonious and enlightened society. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.